Reviews best motorcycles with reverse gears. Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of trike motorcycles, specifically those that offer advanced features like reverse gear. We have a real gem to showcase, the Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide. This versatile machine has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide is a powerful and comfortable touring trike designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by a 1,868 cubic centimeters Milwaukee 8 engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Tri-Glide is its reverse gear. This innovative feature makes maneuvering the heavy trike in tight spaces much easier, especially when parking or reversing out of a garage. In addition to the reverse gear, the Tri-Glide comes with a host of advanced features, including a large infotainment system, cruise control, heated grips and seats, and ample storage space. The trike also features a comfortable and spacious rider and passenger seat, making it ideal for long-distance touring. Design and aesthetics. The Tri-Glide has a classic American cruiser design, with a sleek and aerodynamic shape. Its chrome accents and bold styling give it a timeless appeal. Target audience and relevance. The Tri-Glide is ideal for riders who are looking for a comfortable and stable touring vehicle. Its powerful engine, advanced features, and easy handling make it a top choice for those who want to hit the open road in style. Expert reviews. The Tri-Glide has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and luxurious features. One reviewer from American Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Tri-Glide is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium touring trike. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other trikes. When compared to other popular trikes, the Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide stands out for its iconic American design and premium features. Its reverse gear, cruise control, and luxurious amenities make it a top choice for discerning riders. Conclusion. The Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide is a well-rounded touring trike that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its advanced features, including the reverse gear, make it a practical and convenient choice for long-distance travel. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and capable touring trike, the Tri-Glide is definitely worth considering.